commentator and former board member to the private office of His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Mohammed Al Qasimi. Now, he will discuss today about health tourism, innovation, and combating illness for at-rich populations. Thank you, Doctor.
Well, first, I got to say thank you. It's really an honor and pleasure to be amongst all of you. And I'm just going to get set up, so just give me a minute. It's been quite a long 24 hours. You all probably been seeing what's happening in America. But nonetheless, again, thank you all for giving me the platform to come out and just share a few words with the esteemed guest here. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today. I'd like to express first my heartfelt gratitude to the Dubai government under the leadership of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, and also the healthcare workers across the Emirates for their tireless dedication to the healthcare excellence. Their unwavering commitment has made Dubai a global leader in health innovation, also ensuring that even the most vulnerable populations receive care that they need. So this is a very important topic that we're going to unravel today. Secondly, I'd like to say thank you to our gracious host as well, HTI Global Healthcare and Wellness Summit, the summit staff, also Dubai Health Authority, the Dubai Department of Economy and Tourism, also our guests and members in attendance today, all for your contributions to a very critical industry that is near and dear to our hearts. Let me first start by sharing some of my journey in healthcare. I am a proud U.S. Army military veteran. I have served in a number of conflicts around the world. So essentially, I am a big advocate for transformative power of technology in terms of healthcare and making sure that there are equitable policies that provide solutions to our most vulnerable populations. In the United States, I am a recipient of what's called the America's 60 Plus Association Award, which is awarded to members of the community who lead healthcare initiatives. I'm considered a guardian of senior rights, as many of us all have parents and godparents and grandparents. I have advocated for them, making sure that they have access to the best healthcare, not just in America, but also around the world. My journey began with my service in the armed forces, where I learned the invaluable lessons of resilience, also perseverance, and adapting to the healthcare needs based from being a wounded warrior. I was injured in combat when I was in Afghanistan, so my journey in healthcare started there. Ever since then, I've had to face those challenges as a veteran, and this is what started my journey in healthcare and making sure that all people around the world have access to healthcare. In my role as an advisor to healthcare practitioners, I have helped guide a number of nurse practitioners, doctors, and healthcare solution providers in navigating the rapid adoption of technology and healthcare policies that are inclusive of, again, the most vulnerable populations. This, from the United States all the way to Dubai, I have seen firsthand how health tourism and technology can revolutionize patient care, streamline operations, and lead to groundbreaking medical advancements to help combat various illnesses for, again, at-risk populations. But by equipping our healthcare professionals with all the tools that they need to succeed, we are not just leveraging technology, we are fostering a future where healthcare is more efficient, accessible, and most importantly, patient-centered. So today we'll explore this important topic a little bit further from a medical tourism perspective and focus a bit about the healthcare innovation here in Dubai, which I think all of us know is a renowned location and has expressed its commitment to progress, excellence, and visionary leadership. Dubai's medical tourism sector has already seen incredible growth. In recent reports, DHA highlighted that in 2023, the Emirate welcomed 691,478 medical tourists from around the world. These tourists are spending somewhere between $1 billion dirham in aggregate numbers on healthcare services. This represents a notable increase over the previous years and speaks to the global confidence in Dubai's healthcare capabilities. Moreover, the indirect revenue from medical tourism has reached about 2.3 billion, contributing significantly to Dubai's GDP and bolstering key sectors in aviation, hospitality, as well as telecommunication. I think it goes without saying that these are impressive figures which confirm Dubai's emergence as a trusted medical tourism hub, a place where people from all around the globe can come for peace of mind and a world-class service, getting access to healthcare across a range of different specialties. It also demonstrates that the city's ongoing commitment to build healthcare systems will meet the highest standards as well, benefiting patients and supporting Dubai's economy in the process. Now, as we look to the future, we recognize that healthcare is more than just a service. It is also a commitment to the well-being of every individual who walks through our doors. Whether it be the residents or whether it be the visitors, Dubai aims to be a global leader, not only in the medical excellence, but also in accessibility and compassion for vulnerable populations who require specialized care. Medical tourism is a sector experiencing, again, rapid growth worldwide, and Dubai is very well positioned to be a leading hub for medical tourism with the advanced infrastructure combined with the medical facilities and dedication to patient care. We are extremely excited, not just from residents, but also from business leaders, to see Dubai's growth moving toward this expansion. The UAE government has enacted a number of proactive policies and substantial investments to make sure that Dubai is on track to become the leading medical tourism hub. So we're seeing a lot of continual advancements with the hospitals and technology, clinics, and healthcare services. Now, from a wellness tourism perspective, we are certainly seeing from Russia, we're seeing a lot of traffic from those communities as well. And again, we're going to see how this impacts growth benefits in terms of the economy. But while growth in the medical tourism is vital, it's essentially important that we address the healthcare needs, again, of the vulnerable populations, people who may not have the same financial means, those who face unique health challenges, or even those who may lack access to high-quality care. Dubai is well positioned to service all of those communities in need. So our goal is to protect these individuals, which is one of Dubai's fundamental values, and it's embedded in Dubai's vision for healthcare objectives. Dubai has taken a significant stride in using technology to ensure healthcare is more accessible, effective, and inclusive. And with digital healthcare solutions, telemedicine, and also artificial intelligence, we are creating a future where every person, regardless of their circumstance, can access the care that they need. These innovations not only streamline operations, but they also reduce cost, but also improve outcomes and patient experiences, which is critical for the patients as well. Again, I always continue to hit on the most vulnerable, but that is one of my major advocacies, is making sure that the most vulnerable have the means to real-time access, faster diagnosis, and treatments tailored to their needs. People of determination are very important and near and dear to me. But let me start with this. I'd like to share an update on Dubai's healthcare landscape in 2024. This year has brought about significant progress and investment in healthcare initiatives, mostly aimed at enhancing the well-being of the residents in Dubai. Dubai is not only advancing its healthcare facilities and services, but also investing heavily in preventative, diagnostic, and rehabilitative care. And now that Dubai continues to emerge as a premier medical tourism location, particularly for those in regions where advanced healthcare infrastructure may not be in place, Dubai becomes a number one jurisdiction for those particular patients. Let me walk you through some of the key highlights of these efforts in Dubai. I think this is pretty important. Firstly, let's talk about the pre-diagnostic and preventative care. Dubai is taking significant steps to shift its focus toward prevention, a move that's not only cost-effective, but also beneficial to the residents in the long term. DHA is channeling substantial funds right now into advanced screening technologies, and also public health campaigns. These efforts are designed to promote early detection of diseases, which can often be treated more effectively when we catch these diseases early. With a stronger emphasis on prevention, Dubai aims to reduce the overall burden of disease across the entire population. The next piece here is mental health. Mental health is very important. So it's another crucial topic this year. DHA's mental wealth framework is backed by an investment of 105 million dirham. It's about 28 million US dollars, which underscores the importance of mental health in the region and overall well-being. This framework is pretty unique if you all are pretty familiar with it, but it has 10 key initiatives, which include expanding community health centers, incorporating telehealth services. And telehealth was going to allow our residents to essentially have greater access to care, particularly for those who might find it challenging to visit a facility in person. In addition, new partnerships with leading mental health providers are being forged to bring innovative solutions and support to all of those in need. The third topic is accessibility. Dubai has a very robust plan in place to support individuals with disabilities. DHA, for example, is ensuring that all public infrastructure and digital services comply with Section 508, which many of you are most familiar with, which mandates that these services need to be accessible to people with disabilities. And collaborating with global experts around the globe, Dubai is implementing advanced assistive technologies to help people with physical impairments and enhancing their mobility and also their independence as well. The fourth topic of importance is rehabilitation, recognizing the importance of recovery and support. This is critical even for the athletes who get injured, for those who are impacted. Dubai is expanding its rehabilitation sector, and now we're seeing specialized facilities being introduced focusing on personalized recovery programs that are tailored to the individual needs. Not only that, but DHA is also enhancing its training for healthcare professionals and rehabilitation services, making sure that they uphold the high quality care standards, which is critical in the Dubai framework. And these developments underscore Dubai's commitment to supporting residents, again, in their journey to recovery. Another one that's pretty important is cancer. I think many of us have at least one or two people in our family who have experienced cancer. This is another major focus. So this year, Dubai has launched a series of cancer initiatives aimed at research and global collaboration. Significant funding has been allocated for this development of advanced treatment protocols, as well as the establishment of state-of-the-art oncology centers. These centers are going to be expected to set new benchmarks for cancer care in the region, combining cutting-edge technology and expertise of international cancer research institutions. We look forward to that. But finally, Dubai is also taking significant steps to support those facing terminal illnesses. By investing in palliative care, the city aims to enhance the quality of life for the patients in their final stages, which is also a key important fact. So new hospice care facilities are being developed, and healthcare workers are receiving the training for compassionate care techniques. And lastly, let me just close and say it's an honor to speak to all of you. I look forward to working with you all in this industry. So together, let us continue to lead change, not just in embracing the technology aspect, but in creating a world where healthcare outcomes are equitable and obtainable for all. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you to Adam Roosevelt there. It was nice to hear your insights, and thank you also for sharing your personal journey in the healthcare industry.